Hi, welcome to my channel. My name is Rashonda King. Thank you so much for joining me today. I decided to do another design with these purple drapes that I have. I've already completed this design. At this point, I just have to add some steam to it, but I'm gonna go ahead and let you see how I put this together, and then I'll come back. So I really felt like something was missing from the middle. So I held this video and I waited on this beautiful neon sign right here. So I'm gonna add this to the backdrop. I think this would fit perfect for Mother's Day, Sweet 16, anything like honoring a woman. Okay, so I'm gonna go ahead and attach this with fishing line. So it does have like little holes right here, 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 and here, but I'm only gonna utilize these two holes where I'm gonna put some fishing line through it. And I'm gonna try to take it up to the pole because I wanna make sure it can handle the weight. If I just use safety pins, I don't think that'll be good enough. I'm gonna take it up to the pole. Okay, so I tied the fishing line to the pole up here rather than like pin it and then put rather than attach it to pins. I thought it would be stronger just to take it up here and tie it, tie it onto the pole. So now I'm about to get ready to attach the sign. I might take this other piece up and tie it just to give it, because at first I was just gonna like tie it in the middle, but I don't think that'll give it stability. So, and then I probably would, let me thread this through a different one, like going through the front and out. I'm gonna take it up and I'm gonna tie the other end to the pole, but I'm gonna thread this through so that the string is more in the back of the acrylic. So I'm taking it in this way. Or wait, should I take it? Yeah, I'm gonna take it in this way. And then in this, in the back here. And then I'm gonna take it up. I don't know if y'all can see. Then I'm gonna take it up and tie it to the pole, the other end. I'm gonna tie it. So I made the fishing line really, really long. Okay, so now I have like the fishing line more in the back of the sign. Okay, I'll be right back when I tie it, when I get done tying it. So I just wanna show you how I took it from the back, up and down, and that's how I'm plugging it in. So that valance is really helping to kind of camouflage the cord. So the only thing that I dislike about these neon signs is concealing the cord. So probably if you use curtains, like this is only one panel, this purple is one panel. So maybe you can kind of take it through opening in the panels and kind of conceal it that way. So I just went upward with it. But I do love it. It's beautiful. I think now this backdrop is complete. So tell me what you think about this neon sign, how I added that. And then I'm going to make sure I link it below. I got this from Amazon, so I'll be sure to link it below. So I am really experimenting with the valance. I do not know what I'm doing. So please make sure you comment and let me know, how did I do with the valance? My issue with it is that I wanted to have more pleats. So I'm still learning with the valance. So just let me know how I did, or just leave me a tip below. I want to wish all the mothers a happy Mother's Day. And I think this is a perfect ideal for a mom, for a bridal shower, for a birthday celebration, honoring a woman. So please like, share, and subscribe to my channel. I thank you so much for joining me today. Until I see you next time, bye.